Hello, welcome to today's forecast. This is my third time trying to record this. Quick reminder, ECB coming up 12:45, and we'll kick off with dollar Swiss H1 chart. Going to keep this short and simple. Monday's levels, we're looking for a break below there to open up selling opportunities. You can see so far we've had a little bounce, so support should turn to resistance. We've had this structure pull back into, if I go to the weekly chart, into an area of where we've sold off before, just a key level, key area that give me my bias. So bias was bearish, we've got a structure pullback straight into the level, and now looking to implement Monday's range, where previous price action bounced, so we're looking for H1 close, stay below, looking to open up selling opportunities. We'll go to EURUSD. 109 comes in around here. I'll trim some of the position off if we reach there before ECB, and then let the rest run. So I'm banking something at least previous Monday's low, resistance, which is also a previous Monday's high, so makes sense to take a little bit off there, and I'll let the rest run. The higher time frame levels are depicted from the monthly. We have structure here, nice wicky behavior coming off, a level where heavy buying, and then we had heavy selling here, so support and resistance, just simple charting, and which give me the idea to get bullish EURUSD above this key level. So all pretty simple. Just keep in mind 109 area for taking some profits. Pound CAD was a quite nice trade. Break below Monday's low, stayed below, took out previous weekly low. As long as it stays below here on a H1 basis, I'll remain short, and I'll go out to the daily, looking for around these lows to go, but overall down into this higher time frame, but most of the trade will be taken off here. So just to recap, as long as it stays below here on a H1 basis, I'll be holding on to the trade. Higher time frame, why we get into this trade, been selling it for quite some time because of these levels. Heavy sell off here, heavy sell off, heavy sell off, and it just makes sense. So nothing too spectacular, no real magic behind it. Nice, clean, simple. We'll go on to dollar yen. Hasn't really done anything, but H1 chart, we have support, a break of that, turn to resistance, and looking for lower prices on dollar yen. We have this swing point, which would act nicely for taking some profits, as long as we stay below this blue area that I have on my screen. It's around 107 area. As long as it stays below there in H1, I'll be bearish dollar yen, but it's just went sideways. So dollar CAD was cleaner, nicer. We move into H1 chart. I'll take the day dividers off, actually, it can be a little bit much in the eyes. Support, we also have support over here, a little bit of resistance and support. Key level, we also have Monday's low here, break below and retest, sells off previous weekly lows. If you're in this trade, this is a sensible area to trim most of the position off, but I wouldn't take everything off. Don't want to limit your profit potential, because you never know, we might just drop a lot further. We do have a gap down here, but this seems to be a logical area to take some profits at least, and then let the rest run until Friday. You never know, you might catch a runner. Euro yen is what I want to finish on, because I said yesterday, a weekly chart, we had this swing point we've come down. Looked like, you know, we were going to close below that. I said yesterday that could be a trap. Look for the break back above and play the long trade back into these areas, or play it as you go along, because I think it was too obvious to break below here to continue downwards. But we'll see on a weekly closing basis where we end up with that. So hopefully this is recorded now. We can all go back to our normal lives. Wishing you all the best of luck. Remember ECB coming up, but wishing you all the best of luck for the rest of the day and the rest of the week. Anything you want me to, any instruments you want me to look at, you can let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.